Now, let's start the acceptability of a string by a finite automata. In the previous lecture, as I told you, the arrow was on the wrong position. In this diagram, here in this slide, the arrow is on the correct position. Okay. Now let's see. We have to process the given string, and the given string is 110101. The first symbol is 1, and we are starting with the state q0. Why we say the starting symbol is the q0? क्योंकि हमने टेबल में देखा है कि इस टेबल में q0 पे एक इनकमिंग एरो है. इट रिप्रेजेंट दैट कि अगर किसी स्टेट पे ये एरो दिखता है तो वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि वो इनिशियल स्टेट है, और अगर कोई स्टेट circled है, it means it is a final state also. So what we have learned that कि in the given transition table q0 initial state भी है और final state भी है. So now let's start here. यहाँ what we will see that on giving 1 to q0, अगर हम state q0 पे हैं और अगर हम 1 देते हैं तो we will reach to q1. You can see from the table q0 में अगर आप 1 देते हो तो you reach to q1. That's why I have written q1 here. Okay. After q0 I change it to q1. Now now we will process the second symbol of the string, that is again 1, and when we give 1 to the q1, on giving 1 to the q1 we reaches to q0. So let's see the again q1 में अगर आप 1 देते हो तो हम q0 पे पहुंचते हैं. q0 में अगर 0 देते हो तो we reach to q2. Let's see, आप टेबल से देख सकते हो कि q0 में 0 देने से you reach to q2. q2 में 1 देने से let's see, q2 में 1 देने से you reach to q3. q2 में 1 देने से we reach to q3. So now the state is changed to q3 from q2. Now q3 में 0 देने से, now let's see कि q3 में 0 देने से we reach to q1. q3 में 0 देने से we reach to q1. Yes, the state is now changed to q1. And finally the last symbol of the string is 1, और जब 1 को q1 में देते हो, now let's see, जब 1 को q1 में देते हैं तो we reach to q0. So we reach to q0. So what we have seen that कि as q0 is our final state, and after processing the complete state we reach to a final state, then yes, you can say that the given string is accepted by a finite automata. So the conclusion is that on giving each symbol of the string, if the finite automata reaches to the final state, then you can say that yes, the given string is accepted by a finite automata. Let's see, in this slide we have the given string, that is 110101, and on giving 1 to q0 we reaches to q1, on giving 1 to q1 we reaches to q0, on giving 0 to q0 we reaches to q2, on giving 1 to q2 we reaches to q3, on giving 0 to q3 we reaches to q1, and on giving 1 to q1 we reaches to q0. Thus q0 is our final state, and after processing the complete string we reaches to q0. So yes, we can say that the given string is accepted by a finite automata. In this way we can check some other example whether the given string is accepted by a finite automata or